Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful spotlight effect inside After Effects. This is really good for documentary videos. So, let me delete this and let me show you at my image. This is actually, I take a screenshot from The Guardian, the news, and I love football. So, I just take the football news for showing the tutorial. So, as you can see, I set my uh, photo and let's go to the effect and preset and search for the spotlight, CC spotlight. So as you can see, this is the effect that we need to add in our, as you can see, I added, and now I'm just adjusting the settings. Okay, so these are my setting. You can copy my setting. I'm just adjusting. So first, let me add from 00 and just fix the 2. As you can see, I need to, spotlight these big text, the Manchester City closing the 85 million, whatever news is that. So I'm just adjusting and let me decrease the height. So let me decrease to 0 and just fix this light into this main news, and the edge softness around 50 or 60, and the core angle, like I think 11, yeah, 11 is perfect. And now I just set, let me adjust the spotlight. So as you can see, intensity, I think 75, or, I think 80 is perfect. Yeah, 80 is perfect. So this is my intensity. And now, as you can see, it's super perfect. So if I decrease the height, you can see what changes comes. So let me decrease the core angle and adding, okay, so first adding the keyframe at the and 11.4 and just increase the core angle until yeah, 150. And if I play this, as you can see, now I need to smooth the graph. All right, so go to the graph and smooth it, make curve like that. Now, after easing, and as you can see, the graph, it's super amazing. So now the next thing, okay, so I'm just adjusting the core angle. That's perfect. I think it's perfect. Let me change the direction. Okay, so now it's perfect. Now what you're going to do is we need a rectangle tool for the text. So I'm just click on the rectangle and add shape on the first line. Okay, from here to here. All right, now we need the anchor point into the start. I can use this plugin as well, but you can use the After Effect without plugin to, as you can see, it's an anchor point plugin. But let me show you the easiest, like, the normal way. So just pick this anchor point and now just click Control, and you can see it will smash it like this. Okay, so it's smash it like in the start. Now I'm going to scale, click on the stopwatch and just unlink this, go back and just make this 0. Oops, make 0, adjust the keyframe, and now just easy ease them. Go to the graph and smooth graph like that. If I play, look, oh, it's white. So we just need to change the different. Make sure when you make the rectangle, select the white color, okay? So when I change the difference, it show like amazing. Look at that. It's super cool. It's super amazing. Let me adjust the light. It's a little bit 85 million. As you can see, now it's perfect. It's really perfect. Yeah, this setting is perfect for me. You can change, according to your need. And if I play, it's look amazing. Now I need to add one more thing, guys, and that is roughen edges. Go roughen edge. You can add it from piece effects, and as you can see, it's roughs. And let me adjust the setting. I'm just adding the border to 7. I think 10 is perfect, and edge sharpness to 10, 160. And just complexity. Oops, no, not 10. I think 5 or 4 enough. Let me add a 6. So Let me add 4 or 5. Okay. Now look at the animation, bro. That's super cool. Now it's look. You can add actually color as well, and it's up to you. But I'm just, not adding the color. Let me play, and as you can see, it's perfect. This is already perfect. You can use it in your documentary video. So, okay, now I'm adding one more thing. Let me add null and just adding some movement into this. Let me parent this with the picture and this picture with the null, and I'm going to add the scale movement, adding one keyframe into start from 0 and then a little bit of scale up. And now, as you can see, it's not looking good. Let me adjust these keyframes. And once as you can see, it's look amazing. Let me adjust the keyframe a little bit of far. Okay, now it's look good. Let me adjust it. I just ease the keyframe as well. As you can see, it's look perfect. So this is how you can create this beautiful spotlight. Make sure to subscribe.